Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of keto and sharing the best meals to help you shed those extra pounds in just 30 days. But we're not just talking about any meals. We're focusing on nutrient-dense foods, incorporating intermittent fasting, and exercises suitable for all ages. So, grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to take notes. All right, let's start with the foundation of any successful keto meal, its nutrient-dense foods. When following the keto diet, it's essential to choose foods that are not only low in carbs, but also packed with essential nutrients to support your overall health and weight loss goals. The foods like leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are not only low in carbs but also loaded with vitamins and minerals. Also antioxidants that support your immune system and promote overall wellness. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are also excellent choices. They're rich in fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, while also providing essential nutrients like vitamin C and folate. Avocados are another keto-friendly staple, packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, whether sliced on top of a salad or mashed into guacamole. Avocados add creaminess and flavor to any dish. Don't forget about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are great sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They make for satisfying snacks or crunchy toppings for salads and yogurt. And let's not overlook fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation, support brain health, and promote heart health. Now, let's talk about intermittent fasting, a powerful tool that can accelerate your weight loss on the keto diet. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, and it can help enhance ketone production, increase fat burning, and improve metabolic health. Consider starting with a simple 16/8 fasting protocol, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. This could mean skipping breakfast and having your first meal around noon, then finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. Another popular fasting method is the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days of the week and restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories onto non-consecutive days. Experiment with different fasting schedules to find what works best for you and your lifestyle. Just remember to stay hydrated during fasting periods and listen to your body's hunger cues when it's time to eat. Now, let's talk about exercise, regardless of your age. Incorporating physical activity into your routine is crucial for overall health and weight loss. But you don't need to spend hours in the gym to see results. There are plenty of exercises suitable for all ages that can be done right at home. Activities like brisk walking are accessible to almost everyone and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week to help boost your metabolism, burn calories, and improve your cardiovascular health. Cycling is another low-impact exercise that's gentle on the joints and suitable for all ages, whether you prefer riding outdoors or using a stationary bike indoors. Cycling is an excellent way to improve your endurance and tone your lower body muscles. Swimming is a fantastic full-body workout that's gentle on the joints and perfect for individuals of all ages and fitness levels. Whether you're doing laps in the pool or participating in water aerobics classes, swimming provides a great cardiovascular workout while also toning muscles and improving flexibility. And don't forget about bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. These exercises require no equipment and can be modified to suit your fitness level, making them perfect for at-home workouts. So, There you have it, the best meals for losing weight in 30 days with the Keto Diet. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, incorporating intermittent fasting, and finding the right exercise routine for your age and fitness level, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals in no time. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tip and inspiration on your keto journey. And remember, consistency is key, so keep making those healthy choices and you'll reach your goals. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.